Okay, for this one we're gonna make all a double crochet. Before we do anything, I need to go in this space here for make it better. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slip stitch in that space. So I'm gonna go here and grab the yarn and just go directly from this one. This is a slip stitch. I need to start my work from this space here, okay? And again, I'm gonna chain 3, and this chain 3 will work as a double crochet, okay? And then I'm gonna make 6 double crochet because I need 7 double crochet in each space. This one as my first double crochet, and I'm gonna make 6 double crochet. So this is my first double crochet. Yarn from 1, yarn from 2, yarn from 2. Again, this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, just as we did before. 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6, 7 with the 3 chains. Okay, so I have 1 3 chain and 6 double crochet. So we'll have 7 double crochets. Okay, and as you can see, this is the single crochet that we have from the previous row. So what I'm gonna make a double crochet above this single crochet. So I'm gonna go in here and make my double crochet above it. And again, I'm gonna repeat everything again. I'm gonna take some yarn out. I should do that before. Anyway, let's continue. And again, in the space here, I'm gonna make 7 double crochet because I don't have any 3 chains. So here I'm gonna make 7. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6, and last one, 7. Just like that. Okay, and above the single crochet from the previous row, we're gonna make a double crochet. So here we go, make my double crochet. And again, we're gonna repeat another 7 in the next space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Again, above that one, make a double crochet on the single crochet from the previous row. Okay, let's continue. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the space, and in the single crochet I'm gonna make another double crochet. So here we go. Again, I'm gonna make 7 in the space. So 1, 2. Again, I need to free more yarn. Okay, sorry for that, because sometimes it becomes a little bit like hard to grab and easy for me to free some yarn to work with before anything. So I have 2 here, and again I'm gonna count 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6, and 7, just like that. As you can see, begin to complete my circle, and on a single crochet I'm gonna make a double crochet, like that. And again, the last set, I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Here we go. And again, above the single crochet from the previous row, I'm gonna go in here and I make my double crochet, because remember we just slip stitch in the space, so we start our work from the space. So it is still a double crochet, single crochet here. We didn't make the double crochet above it from the previous row, and now we finished this row. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and slip stitch to the third chain here. Gonna go in this one and slip a stitch. So grab the yarn, go through this one and this one. Here we go. So as you can see, I finished that circle part, which is this part here. Okay, so now we're going to the next row to make this gap, small gaps here, before we make this lovely beautiful spikes. So let's go into it.